Hello, lovely ladies. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt like your outfit is making you look older than you truly are? That one small style choice could silently age you every day. My name is Samya, and today in this video, I'm revealing 7 style mistakes that instantly age women over 40. Stick around, and you'll discover the subtle transformations that can make you look years younger, effortlessly. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sumia's Elegance, for your weekly dose of timeless fashion inspiration. Mistake 1. Wearing the wrong neckline. Most women don't know this. High necklines or bulky collars can actually shorten your neck and make your face look heavier. Opt for soft V-necks, elegant scoop necks, or delicate off-shoulder cuts. These elongate the neck and add a graceful line to your silhouette. Audrey Hepburn once said, "Elegance is the only beauty that never fades." Notice how her simple boat neck dresses always made her look timeless, never dated. When you wear the right neckline, suddenly your posture feels more confident and your face radiates natural elegance. Mistake 2. Choosing boxy or oversized clothes. Here's the surprising part. Oversized sweaters or baggy jackets may feel comfortable, but they can instantly add 5 to 10 years to your appearance. Invest in structured pieces that skim your body gently. Think tailored blazers, soft-fitted coats, and well-cut trousers. Amal Clooney's effortless elegance comes from perfectly tailored coats and suits, always fitting her like they were made for her, never drowning her frame. When your clothes fit beautifully, every step you take looks intentional, polished, and undeniably youthful. Mistake 3. Ignoring the power of color. Most women don't know this. Neutral doesn't mean beige on beige. Wearing dull or overly dark colors can wash out your complexion, highlighting fine lines. Embrace flattering tones like warm camel, soft cream, jewel-toned blues, and muted pastels. Even a pop of emerald or sapphire near your face can brighten your skin. Michelle Obama often chooses colors that complement her skin tone and instantly make her look vibrant even in her 50s. When your color palette works with your natural glow, it feels like wearing light itself. You shine without trying. Mistake 4. Overly trendy accessories. Here's the surprising part. Stacking too many chunky, trendy accessories can overwhelm your look and make it feel chaotic. Choose timeless jewelry. Pearl studs, delicate chains, classic watches. A single statement piece works better than 5 competing ones. Coco Chanel once said, "Before you leave the house, look in the mirror and remove one accessory." When you wear elegant, curated accessories, you exude confidence and sophistication without effort. Mistake 5. Wearing ill-fitting shoes. Most women don't know this. Flat, shapeless shoes or overly chunky heels can break your elegant line and shorten your posture. Choose mid-height heels, pointed flats, or structured loafers. Even classic ankle boots can elevate your frame and your aura. Grace Kelly's iconic style wasn't just in her dresses, it was in her perfectly proportioned shoes that completed her refined look. The right shoes change everything. They carry you taller, lighter, and with more poise than any outfit alone. Mistake 6. Overly busy patterns. Most women don't know this. Large, chaotic prints can age your look instantly by creating visual noise that distracts from your elegance. Opt for subtle prints, classic stripes, or small-scale patterns. Even a single well-chosen patterned scarf can look sophisticated without overwhelming your look. Kate Middleton often wears soft polka dots or muted florals, timeless, classy, and ageless. Wearing refined patterns gives your ensemble harmony and makes your presence feel effortlessly curated. Mistake 7. Neglecting tailoring and alterations. Here's the shocking truth. Most women don't realize that even an expensive outfit can age them if it doesn't fit perfectly. Hem too long, sleeves too wide. It all adds bulk and years. Invest in a skilled tailor. Even small adjustments, cinching a waist, shortening sleeves, perfecting hemlines, instantly modernize and refine your look. Victoria Beckham's signature tailored dresses are a masterclass in fit. She proves that fit over fashion trends always wins. When your clothes fit like they were made for you, your posture, movement, and aura exude effortless elegance. So lovely, ladies. Imagine walking into a room with perfect color, flawless fit, elegant accessories, and shoes that carry you with grace. That's the transformation we just unlocked today. Most women don't know this. Small, intentional changes can shave years off your appearance without expensive surgery or dramatic overhauls. This next tip changes everything. Focus on timeless elegance over fleeting trends. Your style becomes your signature, your story, your power. If you enjoyed these tips and want more secrets to look effortlessly younger, radiant, and undeniably elegant, Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Samya's Elegance, and join our growing family of women who embrace timeless fashion. Until next time, stay elegant, stay radiant, and keep watching my channel for your weekly dose of timeless fashion inspiration.